Hello, now you're welcome to Marketing Video Pro. Now, don't forget it. In this course, in this video, I want to show you how you can start your video marketing agency. Now, if you have gone through each of these video, how you can make different video, you see the 3D animation avatar builder, is it to do, is it whiteboard, is it slide video, is it story video, is it square video head, all those videos. Then one of the way you can take advantage of this is to run a video marketing agency where you create marketing video for people or help them develop a marketing video strategy. Like I do, I run one. It can be very profitable. The truth is a lot of people don't know how to create this. So when you do it for them and you charge them the amount that even people who are creating website for people can even charge. You know, there was a time when designing website was very, very hot. A lot of people know how to do it. But now, how many people know how to create marketing videos? So you take advantage of this by you can set up a marketing video agency. So that is the purpose. What is marketing video agency? So what is marketing video agency? A marketing video agency is a business model where you set up, you offer the service as a marketing video creation or marketing videos strategies or video marketing strategies company where you help them develop their strategies, what they should do. Are you getting it? That is what it's all about. Then you charge them as an agency, like people who have digital marketing agency. Now, if you already have a digital marketing agency, you can add this as part of your agency. If you have already have a web development agency, you have a graphic development agency, you can add this, or you can add this as a service. So how do you use it? So I want to I don't want to make it complicated. I want to make it simple. I just want to walk you through so that you can use a blessing of God in you or initiative in you, and then use it to go and put up your own agency. So what do you need to do? So what do you need? What do you need to do if you want to start? It's very simple. One of the things you should do is this: have portfolios of the project you have done. You can do sample portfolios. Are you getting it? So it depends on the way you are running your thing. But what I would advise you to do is set up a website showcasing your portfolio. Have a video, a welcome video at your homepage, a nice one articulating what your agency is doing, then list your services at the homepage, then create page about you, your services, then portfolios, examples of job you've done. You can do sample for people and send to them, then you put it together. Then if you're running this also offline, you can have card, you can come out with proposal that you're going to send out, then have your email platform and get this out. It's not complicated, it's as simple as that. Are you getting it? It's as simple. So if you know how to create a website, you get this done by yourself. Then another thing you can add to it is on-demand video marketplace, where you can create marketing videos there. They're fantastic that people can place order for, and then you create it for them. You can add it to have it on your portfolio, and that's going to be fantastic. Then you now promote your website maybe to your audience. Then you run ads or whatever you want to do, and get people to place order for what you do, and you make your money. So that's just it. But in case you cannot create a website for yourself, you can hire someone to create the website for you. You can do this with WordPress or any form of software you know how to use to create something like this. Now, apart from you setting up this by yourself, then you can consider using ready-made marketing agency bundle offer. So if you later when you get the Video Nexa website, then they have this option on Video Nexa whereby a ready-made they can help you deploy a marketing agency website within 48 hours. So in case you don't know how to design the website, you don't want to go through this stress yourself, check. I'll drop a link below this video where you can get access to Video Nexa marketing agency bundle offer They will take everything of you and then deploy it for you. You can also get in touch with me under the support section of this course if you also want me to help you create and set up your marketing agency, in case you don't know how to do it. But it's a thing you can do yourself if you know how to create a website. But in case you are busy, you don't know how to do it, you can go through the stress and all those things. So you can take advantage of this offer while you focus on marketing and other stuffs. Now, like if you are creating, like I said before, in case you are creating yeah, this website for your agency by yourself, consider on-demand video marketplace. Very simple. That means you have the very fantastic videos you can make for each of these software, put it on the side. Then once you put, people get there, they see the video, wow, I love this whiteboard video, can you create for me? Then they place order, look at what they order for, then you take their details, everything is there, their image, their logo, then you make it for them, and then you start making money. So consider doing that with your agency. Now, how to sell your video service. How to sell your video service. There are various ways you can sell your video services. You can do this on freelance website like Upwork, like freelancer, like Guru, and all those things. Offer yourself. You can post your gig. You see a project. You can bid for a project. You already see someone who is looking for, who's going to make do video. Someone who is looking for, who's going to making a 3D animation avatar video. Someone who is looking for, who's going to make whiteboard explaining all those things. You bid and you look at which of your software or combination of software that you can use to do that, and you do that. Then you can generate lead, run ads on Facebook, on YouTube, on LinkedIn, and this. Or you can take your list, if you already have a list of customers who definitely need digital marketing service, create an offer and sell to them. And yes, then you can build in your need audience. You run advert, let people know about what you do. If you are running an offline agency, for example, you can sell proposal house, set your business card out, let people know what to do. And one of the things you can do is create sample video. For example, let's assume you saw an e-commerce website running an advert with image. Okay, you can go to the website, look at the product the person is selling, pick the images on that place, then pick the content of the product, the benefit, mostly the introduction and benefit, then use it to create let's say 3D animation or a doodle video. You can create each one of them, or whiteboard or square hearts, then brand it with your own logo, watermark it with your own logo. Then you send it to the person, say, oh, we can do the same thing for you. If the wow the person, you see the person is going to engage you in discussion, and you can make that. There are so many creative ways you can come about and make your money, but make sure you set up your agency. So that is the end of this course. Meet me in the next video.